Jennifer, I want you to take any card you want. Okay? Yep, and show them, but don't show me. And show our folks at home. Okay, got it? Awesome. Put it back here. Now, Jennifer, cut these. I want you to shuffle those up. Okay? Now, usually you wouldn't want anybody to do this because there's no key cards. There's no way in which. How could I possibly follow? I'm not even looking where her shuffle's at. Wow, Jen. Cut the deck. Okay. And shuffle again. This may or may not work. Again, I'm just trying something out here. Amazing. Cascade at the end. All right. I'm going to try to find her card. Now, Jennifer, I think you took a red card, didn't you? Oh, gosh. I hope this works. I think, if I'm correct, Jennifer took the Jack of Clubs. Jen, did you take the Jack of Clubs? I wanted to impress you. What was your card?
4 of clubs.
Wow.
Stop it.
I'm so amazed by my powers. I'm back. Thank you.